Drones are the eyes of the future, used for everything from surveillance to package delivery. But they have a critical flaw. They are loud. The whining rotors generate acoustic pollution that limits their usability in urban and sensitive environments. Nature, however, perfected the silent machine long ago. The owl, the ultimate nocturnal hunter, flies with an acoustic signature so faint it is virtually undetectable to the human ear. We are dissecting the genius of the owl's feathers to unlock a new generation of silent, energy-efficient drone technology. The secret to future aerospace isn't in composites or complex software, it's in biomimicry. Most birds create noise through turbulent airflow around their wings, but the owl eliminates this noise with a three-part structural solution, honed over evolutionary time. Part 1. The comb. The leading edge of the owl's primary flight feathers features a row of stiff, jagged serrations. These act like a comb, breaking the main flow of air into a multitude of small, smooth streams. This prevents the large, noisy vortices that usually form at the leading edge of a wing. Part 2. The velvet surface. The upper surface of the owl's feathers is covered in a deep, plush, velvet-like pile. This material absorbs sound and smooths out any remaining turbulence, dampening the acoustic energy before it can escape. Part 3. The fringe. The trailing edge of the feather is not sharp, but composed of a flexible, porous fringe. This structure slowly mixes the fast-moving air from the top of the wing with the slower air underneath, eliminating the loud, abrupt clap that creates most wing noise. For engineers, the challenge is not just replicating the structure, but understanding the physics. The noise reduction is inherently tied to energy efficiency. Less turbulence means less resistance, which means less power required to fly. Researchers are focusing on modifying the drone's rotors, the source of most of the noise. By applying owl-inspired serrations to the leading edge of the rotor blades, they can immediately break up that major noise source. Furthermore, some prototypes are being coated with porous materials designed to absorb acoustic energy, imitating the velvety pile. These solutions are additive. They don't require redesigning the entire drone, just changing the surface texture. If you're inspired by how nature engineers solutions, smash the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into biomimicry. The payoff is enormous. Initial tests using these bio-inspired blades show noise reductions of over 10 decibels, which the human ear perceives as cutting the sound in half. This translates directly to efficiency gains of up to 15%. Silent flight opens up sensitive airspace. Imagine quiet package delivery in residential neighborhoods at night, or surveillance drones that can monitor endangered wildlife without causing disturbance. The owl, a master of stealth refined by millions of years of evolution, provides a simple, elegant blueprint. By translating the microgeometry of a single feather, engineers are solving one of the loudest problems in aerospace. The most groundbreaking technology often hides in the simplest forms. Let us know what other engineering secrets nature holds in the comments.